Everyone is selling something. You might be selling your talent to someone when you are going to some interview. Someone is selling some product. You are selling your expertise as a consultant. So we are selling something to someone all the time. And most of the people who fail do not realize why they fail. Today I would like to share with you 3 things because of which people do not succeed in life. They do not succeed in any interview, or did not become able to sell something to someone. So the first kind of mistake they make, they oversell the things. As a salesman, I most of the time say that you need to understand your product. You need to first wear your own product and then sell it to others. You must believe in that product inside in your brain. Most of the people, they just remember some interview phrases and then they watch the videos and then they go there and then they talk everything which comes in their mind. While selling product, the salesman, they watch some 2 to 3 sales videos and then they understand that I should speak this, and then they go to sell something, then they go to sell their services or sell some product, then they fail immediately. Why? Because when you oversell something, people start questioning your product, people start questioning your services, people start questioning your skills. So first thing, if you are making the mistake of overselling, then you have to avoid it. Do not become an overseller. Second thing which most of the people do is that they kind of undersell themselves. They're not able to speak about themselves. Well, most of these type of people are introverts. I call myself an introvert, but before going anywhere, I work hard, I prepare myself. So if you are thinking that you're not able to sell some things because of your shyness, because of you being introvert, then you need to work hard on your product. Let me be clear with you that all the successful people of the history were introverts. Gandhi was extremely, if you rank the introverts, probably was one of the what they call highest introverts. He could not even was able to speak about his food habits, why he used to prefer the vegetables in front of one committee in UK when he was studying there. He could not even speak in the class. But later on, what he tried to do, he started writing the speeches, he started improving his pronunciation, and in that way he became one of the most popular speakers, one of the most popular writers. So the thing is that if you are underselling, if you have the problem of being shy, then you can overcome it by studying, by focusing on your intuitions. All the people all the successful people like Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos or Mark Zuckerberg, these people were introverts, but they have overcome their fears, they have overcome their introvertness by working on their product, by extremely building the products, that products could speak, their work could speak. So you have to study your product so that you overcome your shyness. And the third thing is, third type of people, they do not succeed in their life, they are the presenters. I see in most of the cases that people go to the interviews and then they say, oh, your industry is this way, your industry is this way, your industry is this way. They have the stats, but they cannot interpret that how these stats, how this information can someone use in their own business. So you are selling a product, you know that what kind of features that product has, you have the information, but you cannot interact to the other person that how this product is must buy for him. So you do not need to be a presenter in 2020. So as I most of the time say that these days most of the customers are educated, most of the businessmen are educated, people are very clear about what they need today. So you need to be original, you need to have the information, you need to tell others that what is the benefit of the product they're buying from you. So do not be under the category of 3 people. 1, those people who oversell, 2, those people who undersell, and 3, those people who just present the things, they do not sell the things. So as an oversell person, if you are selling the thing, if you are overselling the things, so I would recommend you to stop doing this. Be authentic, ask the real questions to the people, know your product, do not speak too much, give the customers best experience. If you think that there is some flaw in your product, just tell them. If you do not know about anything, be honest, do not just speak everything. Overselling people, this is the advice. Those people who undersell, I would say study your product, become confident, study as much as your clients possible, as much as your product possible, and then you will get the sale, you will become successful, you will get the job. And those people who are just presenter, I would say you have the information, just think that how information is usable to the other person you are going to meet. and how information is usable to the company, how your skills are applicable for the company in which you are applying. So that's what I wanted to share. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with others and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.